Horses out, we have Queen Cuba. As the begin, moving up party outside now is Tailwind. Tailwind by about 3 lengths. Queen Cuba in second. La Sombra alongside Sant Anthony, King Manjo, Wensi, and Royal Viva. Tailwind by about 4 lengths. And in second is Queen Cuba. Sant Anthony alongside third. Running by the report comes La Sombra. 6 lengths away in fifth comes King Manjo. Tanori inside is Royal Viva and NC. They swing into the back. And it's still Tailwind by about 4 lengths. Queen Cuba still in second. Sant Anthony now trying to get closer in third. La Sombra in fourth. Royal Viva, King Manjo, and NC. And it's still Tailwind by about 3.5 lengths. Queen Cuba still in second. Sant Anthony in third. Then followed over by La Sombra. Tailwind by only 2.5 lengths. Then here comes Queen Cuba. Now trying to get closer in second. Sant Anthony in third. Tailwind by only 2 lengths. Queen Cuba is on the outside second as they come down to the last 150. Tailwind by Aralenka. Moving up on the outside now is Queen Cuba. Tailwind, Queen Cuba is on the outside. But it's still Tailwind, Queen Cuba on the outside. Tailwind still in front. Queen Cuba on the outside second. But it's still Tailwind. Then finally Tailwind, Queen Cuba, Royal Viva. Then comes Sant Anthony. And